Lowest price duplex house near Manila for as low as 9K monthly DP. Kung interested ka, don't skip this video. This is Pau Pipito, your home search buddy. Ito na nga ang ating newest project na may presyong townhouse at located lang sa General Trias, Cavite. Few minutes drive lang ito sa school, worship area, market, hospital, mall gaya ng Robinson General Trias at malapit din ito sa Central Business District gaya ng Maple Grove, Evo City at River Park sa Lancaster, New City. Napakaganda nga ng location nito at approximately 20 to 25 minutes drive lang ito going to Cavite. Ito na nga ang pinaka-affordable na property na malapit sa Manila for as low as 9K monthly DP. Meron itong minimum lot size na 58.5 square meters kaya naman may provision tayo for one carport at ang maganda nito ay may extra lot tayo sa front, back at sa side na pwede mong gamitin for future home expansion. May floor area na 45.5 square meters kaya naman may enough space tayo for living, dining at kitchen area. Upon turnover nga sa unit natin ay basic finish ito kaya naman mako-customize mo ang kulay ng paint, design ng tiles, sukat at layout ng room. Plus points nga sa ating duplex dahil meron tayong window sa front, back at sa side for proper ventilation at para makapasok ang natural light. Estimated monthly amortization ay 12,000. Limited slots na to kaya naman link in bio at send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!